Hello friends, today we will study Article 24 of Part 3rd of our Indian Constitution, which comes under right against exploitation is a fundamental right. So according to Article 24, which says prohibition of employment of children in factories. So let us do a detailed discussion on this topic. Article 24 prohibits the employment of children below the age of 14 years in any factory, mines, or other hazardous activities like construction work or railway, but it does not prohibit their employment in any harmless or innocent work. It means that, friend, Article 24 prohibits employment of children below 14 years age. Mention this word below 14 years age in any factory or any hazardous place where the work can harm the physical body of that children is prohibited under this article, but it does not prohibit their employment in other harmless industries or innocent work like artist or any other work. So there are few acts regarding the protection of child employment which we need to remember, or you may say which we need to keep in our mind. So what are these acts? Let us discuss one by one. The Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 is the most important law in this direction. So in support of child labor, this act, Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986, very important. So you must keep this name in your mind for your exam purpose. In addition, this the Employment of Children Act 1938, the Factories Act 1948, the Mines Act 1952, the Merchant Shipping Act 1958, the Plantation Labor Act 1951, the Motor Transport Worker Act 1951, Apprentice Act 1961, the BD and Cigar Worker Act 1966, and other similar acts prohibit the employment of children below certain age. Means, friend, all those acts prohibits the work of children below a certain age, that is 14 years age, that they cannot work in those kind of industries in which it damages their health. So now in 1966, sorry, 1996, I'm extremely sorry for that. In 1996, the Supreme Court directed the establishment of child labor rehabilitation welfare fund, in which the offending employer should deposit a fine of 20,000 for each child employed by him. It also issued direction for the improvement of education, health, and nutrition of child. Friends, it means that in 1996, Supreme Court directed the government of India to establish a child labor rehabilitation welfare fund, in which the accused who employed any single child, they have to pay amount of rupees 20,000 for a single child if they employed any child labor in their department, then in their industry or in their working area. They have to deposit 20,000 rupees. And Supreme Court also issued direction to the government that this amount should be used for the improvement of education, health, and nutrition of children. The Commission for Protection of Rights Act 2005 was enacted to provide for the establishment of National Commission and State Commission for Protection of Child and Children's Court for providing speedy trial of offence against children or of violation of child rights. It means, friend, a commission is also set up for the protection of child rights, that is Commission for Protection of Child Rights Act 2005. You have to underline this word. Was enacted to provide for the establishment of National Commission and State Commission. Means that there is two commission, National Commission or State Commission, which must be established for the protection of child rights and child courts for providing speedy trial. Many cases there in many cases we saw that there it is very elongated, very long time, that child get justice in very long time. For that to become make them short, they try for a speedy trial, and which comes under this act. In 2006, In 2006, the government banned the employment of children as domestic servant or worker in business establishment like hotels, dhaba, restaurants, shop, factories, resort, spa, tea shop, and so on. It warned that anyone employing children below 14 years of age would be liable for prosecution and penal action. 2006 में क्या हुआ फ्रेंड्स कि गवर्नमेंट ने एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ चिल्ड्रंस को बैन कर दिया किसी भी डोमेस्टिक सर्वेंट में या वर्कर में, जैसे कि कोई भी बिजनेस लाइक होटल्स, ढाबा, रेस्टोरेंट, शॉप्स, फैक्ट्रीज, रिसोर्ट, स्पा, टी, और मतलब चाय के ठेले पर भी कोई भी स्टूडेंट वर्क नहीं, कोई बच्चा वर्क नहीं कर सकता है। और ये जो है कि एक पनिशेबल एक्शन हो जाएगा यदि कोई ऐसा करता है तो। अब हम लोग एक बहुत ही क्विकली जो है कि हम लोग इस पे नज़र डालते हैं अपना चाइल्ड लेबर अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2016 पे। द चाइल्ड लेबर प्रोहिबिशन एंड रेगुलेशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2016। हम लोगों ने एक और एक्ट अभी जस्ट ऊपर में देखा था जिसे कि आप लोगों को ध्यान देना है, और वो क्या था वो अब आप लोग खुद मुझे जो है कि रिकॉल करके कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा। हम लोगों ने अभी जस्ट इसी से रिलेटेड एक और एक्ट पढ़ा था जो कि चाइल्ड लेबर प्रोहिबिशन एंड रेगुलेशन एक्ट था, और ये अमेंडमेंट एक्ट है 2016। अमेंडेड द चाइल्ड लेबर प्रोहिबिशन एंड रेगुलेशन एक्ट 1986। It has renamed the principal act as the Child and Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986। It means that friend, पहले ये केवल चाइल्ड लेबर प्रोहिबिशन एंड रेगुलेशन एक्ट था, लेकिन अब इसमें जो एक नया वर्ड ऐड कर दिया गया एडोलेसेंट लेबर, और ये जो है कि अमेंडमेंट किया गया 2016 में। The Amendment Act prohibits the employment of children below 14 years in all occupation and process. According to it, friends, चिल्ड्रेन का एम्प्लॉयमेंट जो है कि हर किसी भी तरह के ऑक्यूपेशन में बैन कर दिया गया। पहले क्या था कि 18 ऑक्यूपेशन और 65 प्रोसेस में वर्क बैन किया गया था, लेकिन अब जो है कि सारे में बैन कर दिया गया। फर्दर द अमेंडमेंट एक्ट प्रोहिबिट्स द एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ prohibits the employment of adolescent 14 to 18 years of age in certain hazardous occupation and process। देखिए, और अब क्या क्या गया इस अमेंडमेंट के बाद से कि 14 से 18 साल के बच्चे को भी जो है कि किसी हजारडस, 14 तक वाले को तो किसी में वर्क नहीं करना है, और 14 से 18 वाले को जो है कि किसी भी हजारडस वर्क में काम नहीं करना है, हजारडस ऑक्यूपेशन में वर्क नहीं करना है। सो ये इसके माध्यम से है। और अगर हम लोग इसी में आगे हम लोग अगर बात करें, the amendment act also introduced more stringent punishment for the offender। It is an imprisonment of 6 months to 2 year or fine of 20,000 to 50,000 or both। In case of repetitive offense, the imprisonment is of 1 year to 3 year। It means that friend, if someone is previously we saw that they only fine them 20,000 rupees, nothing else, and they have very minimum punishment for that, but according to this act they can be imprisonment for of 6 months to 12 2 year, or fine from 20 to 50,000 or both, in case if they repeat the offense regularly. In that case they will have to be imprisonment for 1 year to 3 year। This is the prohibition of employment of children in factories, that is our article number 24। So I hope your all doubts regarding this will be resolved, and if you have any other doubts regarding this topic or any other topic, you are free to comment me regarding your doubts। I will try to answer everyone's doubts। So thank you once again for watching this video। Have a great future।